Documents and contracts create the perfect event to solidify customer relationships. Even though using this formal agreement as the payment collection point is logical, a direct payment option was missing. We've added the card details element to allow you to request payment information upon signing. Let's learn how to use it. Open the document builder, click plus add element, and drag the card details field into your document. Assign the field to a signer and mark it as required. Send the document to the signer. Once sent, when the signer clicks the field, a pop-up window will appear so they can fill in their information and save it for future payments. This feature allows you to easily capture payment details upfront during document signing, leading to improved information retention, payment security, and lower customer friction. With this element, signers can securely add their card while filling out the document, and the card gets saved for future payments, giving them a sense of security while streamlining the process. We hope you enjoy it.